Right, let's clear things up. As early as the beginning of the year, everyone was excited about the huge chance that XRP would reach $10,000. Also, guess what? That guess has just become much more accurate. Larry Fink from BlackRock is officially supporting this. Think about this, there's more to it than just $10,000 per XRP? Of course not, he's making it sound like a basic need. Hi Moneyside family, welcome back to the place where you can find everything about XRP. Before we get to the meat of today's post, let's quickly get in touch. Please do me a small favor, don't be shy, hit the like button, subscribe and bell, to become a part of our great group. Also, here's a heads up, as we get closer to 600,000 subscribers, we're getting ready for a huge XRP gift. It's really easy to enter the giveaway, just do these 3 easy things, so make sure you're ready and tuned in. Don't forget to leave a code for Moneyside to make sure you get into the giveaway. This is where it gets juicy. Imagine that big names in finance like BlackRock and Vanguard are now seriously thinking about using XRP for their foreign transactions. Don't worry, things will get better. There are rumors that BlackRock will release an ETF that focuses on XRP. You did hear that right. There's more though, that was not all Larry Fink did. He is looking at the huge real estate market, which is worth $30 trillion, and can you guess what its future is all about? On top of that, the ISDA gave a huge $1.20 quadrillion. Traders and Swaps Association is going to use the XRP system and RippleNet to send money. There's more to it than just $10,000 per XRP. That's how kids play. The value of each XRP could go through the roof, reaching as much as $60,000. Wow! That's really cool. Let us move on to the next part. Another big surprise came from BlackRock. There's more to him than just talking. Things are about to get really big for Ripple and its digital currency XRP. Everything will be tokenized. And the next part of our movie has a clip that will get people's attention. The move by BlackRock toward an XRP ETF was confirmed by Larry Fink himself. Let's not wait any longer, feel free to watch this clip now. We've seen a lot of strange things happen in the crypto world lately, especially with XRP. Picture this, on the Crypto.com exchange, which is known worldwide. The price of XRP went through the roof, reaching an amazing $43,000. This isn't a one-time thing. This is part of a rising trend of XRP's value going up. Remember last week, when we talked about a $7,000 XRP bug at a major exchange? Now it's Crypto.com's turn, and it looks like these sudden price jumps for XRP are happening all the time on different markets. Now let's talk about something else that I found through a lot of study. It's just as interesting as BlackRock or the overall rise in the SRP market. We're going to talk about Gary, the famous SEC head who took over for Jake Clinton. Gensler always puts SRP in the security category, which most of you may already know. This is where it gets interesting. Robert M. Gensler is Gary Gensler's identical twin brother. They are the same age, and look a lot alike. As vice president of T. Rowe Price, Robert is a very important person there. It turns out that T. Rowe Price isn't just any investment company when you look into it more. It is one of the biggest companies putting a lot of money into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP. There seems to be a strange link here. While Gary Gensler, who is in charge of the SEC, keeps calling XRP a security, his twin brother is very involved with an investment company that has a lot of money invested in XRP. XRP. There's a lot of money invested in XRP. A number of different coins. It's an interesting contrast that makes me wonder about the complicated dynamics at play in the world of cryptocurrency investments and laws. Now we come to an exciting option. Could Robert Gensler, vice president of T. Rowe Price, know something that no one else does about XRP's potential, that is similar to what they know about Bitcoin and Ethereum? When you think about how much the company has invested in these 3 cryptocurrencies, this idea starts to make sense. In public, the SEC says there is no such thing as insider trade. A lot of papers and investigations have said the opposite. These investigations, which have mostly been about market manipulation and insider trading, have frequently shown that the SEC is doing things that aren't right. It looks like a pattern is starting to form. It looks like SEC employees are telling their friends and family about which digital assets might soon no longer be considered stocks. And then these family members and friends invest early, and when the asset is officially labeled non-security, its value goes through the roof. This lets them make a lot of money by buying low and selling high. In this situation, let's think about the chance that Robert N. Gensler got inside information from his brother Gary Gensler about how the SEC might lose a case against XRP. This kind of information could mean that Congress wants to settle the case between Ripple Labs and the SEC. This is a great time for smart buyers to buy XRP. But seeing T. Rowe Price put more and more money into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most especially XRP, adds another layer to this story. The cryptocurrency community is talking a lot about how XRP could hit unbelievable highs of $10,000, $20,000 or even $60,000. Notably, experts who have been positive about XRP, such as Jack the Rippler, think its value will skyrocket, and may even go over $589. Even though this prediction is very bold, it shows how much people are interested in and guessing about XRP and its possibilities in the cryptocurrency market. Wall Street wants a piece of the XRP pie because it's so profitable. And my guess? An XRP ETF will be the first big play. Don't just skim the surface of this event though. Crypto Basic has some interesting news for us. A financial expert says that JP Morgan has made a big move into XRP. This has caught the attention of someone who used to run Ripple. This news really made me scratch my head, and we need to talk about it. This is how the story goes. Ben Armstrong, who used to work for the BitBoy crypto brand, brought up some controversial comments about JP Morgan's alleged investment in XRP. A well-known person in the crypto world wrote a series of posts about this. He says that JP Morgan has bought a huge amount of XRP tokens, 7.5 million of them. Armstrong then says that this move is worth about 7.5% of all of JP Morgan's wealth. But wait, this math doesn't make sense at all. To give you an idea of how much 7.5 million XRP is worth now, 4.46 million doesn't even come close to 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth. His opinion is that this makes JP Morgan an up-and-coming Bitcoin powerhouse. So we have a story about how big Wall Street banks like JP Morgan might be interested in getting into the crypto scene. With XRP. Also, the math may not be very good, but the thought of big banks getting into crypto is something that shouldn't be ignored. It's part of a bigger trend where traditional banking and digital currencies are coming together, and XRP is at the center of some very interesting changes. Armstrong's strong words have also brought attention to BlackRock, the biggest name in asset management, putting out false claims that BlackRock XRP as an investment after getting approval for its iShares Bitcoin ETF. That was not the end of Armstrong. He is also paying close attention to the current legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. He thinks that the fact that these huge financial companies are investing in XRP despite the current legal drama shows that they have a strong faith in the coin's bright future. If this trend of gathering is real, it would mean that big financial players are interested in XRP, even though its regulations are changing all the time. Here's the deal. It was always going to happen that Wall Street would accept crypto. Since more than 5 years ago, this has been on my mind. At that time it seemed like a mere dream. But look at where we are now, with Bitcoin leading the way. If you think XRP is the deal, it was always going to happen that Wall Street would accept crypto. Since more than 5 years ago, this has been on my mind. At that time it seemed like a mere dream. But look at where we are now, with Bitcoin leading the way. If you think XRP won't follow suit, I have to politely disagree. The question is not if, but when.